Hi, welcome to our video on the qualifications and skills you need for a career in law. Law is a challenging yet rewarding profession, and it's important to understand what it takes to become a lawyer. In this video, we will be discussing the education, qualifications, and skills you need to have to succeed in this field. First and foremost, let's talk about education. To become a lawyer, you will need to have a law degree, which typically takes 3 years to complete. After completing your law degree, you will also need to pass a bar exam in order to practice law. This exam will vary depending on the state in which you plan to practice. It's also worth mentioning that some states allow applicants to take an apprenticeship under a practicing lawyer instead of law school, but this is not common. Once you have completed your education and passed the bar exam, you will need to possess a number of skills in order to excel as a lawyer. Strong analytical and critical thinking skills are essential, as you will need to be able to review complex legal cases and find the best solution for your clients. Research is another key skill for lawyers, as you will need to spend a lot of time reading and interpreting laws and court decisions. Additionally, you will need to be able to work well under pressure and have the ability to think on your feet. Lawyers also need to have excellent written and oral communication skills, as they often have to present their arguments clearly and persuasively. Strong interpersonal skills are also crucial, as you will need to be able to establish trust and build relationships with your clients, colleagues, and judges. Strong organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to work independently are also important for a lawyer. Law practice can be quite hectic, and you will have to juggle multiple cases and deadlines. You will need to be able to prioritize your work and manage your time effectively. And lastly, it's important to note that the legal field is constantly evolving, and it's essential for lawyers to keep up with the latest laws, regulations, and court decisions. You will need to be a lifelong learner and be willing to continuously educate yourself in order to stay relevant in the field. So that's a brief overview of the qualifications and skills you need to become a lawyer. It's not an easy path, but with the right qualifications, skills, and attitude, you can make it happen. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on law and other related topics. If you're considering a career in law, we wish you the best of luck on your journey.